Hey everybody, it's Nick. I'm here at the Tonka Verde Dude Ranch in Arizona, and I just had the honor of playing tennis with Phil, the tennis pro here, and he has some really good things to say about the spirit of learning versus the spirit of winning.
Well, teaching is what I do, and I've done it for like 14 years, so you run into a lot of different situations, especially in tennis. Run into a lot of situations where people are learning how to do brand new things that they've never done before. I get a lot of beginners down here all the time, and the biggest thing is not get discouraged, right? Is like to keep trying, to try your best every single time, but knowing that if you make mistakes or it doesn't work out the way that you want it to work out, that it's not going to be the end of the world, because you're just going to hit another ball and try it again and again and again and again. And you're going to have to make like 10,000 mistakes before you start to get it right.
So we have to build the skills in construction manufacturing. So give it a try. It's plan, do, check, adjust. Thank you so much, Phil.
Hey, anytime.
All right, thank you.